Good afternoon, students. We have been studying tense forms, right? And this is the second video, and here you will be taught second tense. And we have been studying present tense. We are done with simple present tense, और अभी हम उसके आगे वाला tense पढ़ने वाले हैं, right? Before we start, or before I tell you what we are going to learn, I would like to ask you a question. What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now? Now you must be thinking, am I kidding or what? मैं मजाक तो नहीं कर रहा. No. So you must be thinking कि सर ने तो वीडियो भेजा है और अभी हम सर का वीडियो देख रहे हैं, फिर भी सर ऐसे क्यों पूछ रहे हैं कि what are you doing right now? Okay. So your answer will be, sir, we are watching your video, right? We are watching your video. Yes. So when I ask you the question, what are you doing right now? You said, we are watching your video. This is what we are going to learn today. इसी को बोलते हैं जो मैंने क्वेश्चन आपसे किया और जो आपने आंसर दिया. This was in present continuous tense. Present जो वर्तमान काल बोलते हैं हम जिसको मराठीमध्ये आपण वर्तमान काळ असं म्हणतो. आत्ता काय चालू आहे? What is happening right now? What is happening right now? When you will get this video, that time you will be watching this video. But right now, I am making this video for you. I am teaching you the forms of tense, the types of tense. I am sitting in grade 8. I am sitting in front of camera. I am looking at you. I am looking outside, right? Birds are chirping, right? Farmers, those are in the farm. They are working in the farm, right? Other teachers, they are walking in the ground. Some are standing in the corridor. They are talking to each other. So present continuous tense is all about what is happening right now. अभी क्या हो रहा है? Previous tense form में, simple present tense में हमने ये पढ़ा था कि रोज क्या होता है. That is also present tense कि रोज क्या होता है. That's simple present tense. और अभी क्या हो रहा है? That is present continuous tense, right? This is what the small difference between simple present and present continuous. Simple present में हम regular actions के बारे में बात करते हैं, and present continuous में अभी क्या हो रहा है? Like at the time of speaking, what is happening with the speaker? What speaker wants to say? Right? That will be in present continuous tense, which is very much important for us while speaking, because we are in present times, right? Yes. So next thing, why do we use this tense? Of course, to talk about what is happening, to talk about the conditions right now, to talk about the things right now, to talk about the actions, those are happening at the time of speaking, and that is very much important, right? So to construct these sentences into the proper what we can say format. So what is the sentence construction of present continuous tense? How it is made? Yes. So of course, first will be with subject. Then comes helping verb. Which are the helping verbs? In present, these are am, is, are. Am, is, are. Then comes main verb plus ing, and then object means remaining words. So subject, everywhere subject will be the same. Subject won't be changed, right? Helping verb am is are. Am is are, how do we use am is are? Am is are हम किसके साथ में यूज करते हैं? So am will be only used with an I. Am I के साथ ही यूज होता है. ही शी इट के साथ में इज यूज होता है एंड आर वी एंड दे के साथ में होता है. आई एम ईटिंग एन एप्पल. He eats, she eats eating an apple. They are eating an apple. We are eating an apple. So this helping verb as per the subject. अगर subject I है तो am, subject it's I'm talking about present continuous tense. Alright, मैं present continuous tense के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. So अगर subject I है तो am, he she it है तो is. अगर plural है subject we you they are. अभी you जो है वो सिंगुलर भी हो सकता है, प्लूरल भी हो सकता है. You all प्लूरल, you singular, right? So as per the subject you are supposed to use the helping verb. Then comes main verb. So eat is a main verb. Eating, what is eating? Eat plus ing. इट्स कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. जब हम वर्ब को ing लगाते हैं तो दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. ईटिंग वर्ब प्लस ing. आई एम ईटिंग एन आइसक्रीम, राइट? बट राइट नाउ टू टॉक अबाउट द राइट नाउ थिंग आई विल से आई एम टीचिंग यू प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस और आई एम helping you out to solve the sentences of present continuous tense. Just keep it in a mind, present continuous tense is used for the actions. Tense is used to talk about the actions which are happening at the time of speaking. Right? So it's quite easy. I have told you the structure also. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus ing and object. Right? Right now I'm looking at you. I am looking at you. This is present continuous tense. I hope you have understood this. Alright. Next video will be on simple future or else present tense का ही कोई एक लेंगे. जैसे हमने simple present tense पढ़ा, अभी present continuous tense पढ़ा, right? Let me tell you one thing, you just have to keep it in a mind. There is a difference between simple present tense and present continuous tense. So simple present tense talks about the action happens every day. The actions happen every day. And present continuous tense talks about the action is happening while speaking or at the time of speaking. Got it? Yes. So next we will see present perfect tense. This is the third type of present tense. Understood? All right. Thank you.